Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create AdSense account for YouTube. So first of all you have to do is open google.com on your browser and search for Create AdSense Account. Hit enter, click on Create an AdSense Account. Now you have to click on Visit this site. A new tab will open, adsense.google.com/start. First of all, we have to sign up using Google AdSense. So I will click on sign up, or you can also click on sign in if you have already created an account. Once you click on sign up, you will see some options over here, your site. So in this section, what you have to do is open your YouTube channel. And this time I will click on YouTube Studio. Now YouTube Studio will open. I will click on my profile link. A new tab will open. Now I have to copy this link and I will paste this link on this section. You can select yes, send me customize. I will select no. Then you have to select your country. You have to agree for the terms and conditions and click on start using AdSense. Then after that, it will ask you for your address or something information about your payments information, your bank information. And after you reach the threshold of 4,000 or 5,000 subscribers and some watch time hours on YouTube, Google will send you a PIN code via mail on your home address. Once you receive that mail, you have to go to the AdSense website once again and you have to enter that PIN into your AdSense account. Once you've entered the PIN, you will be verified from Google AdSense. And that's how you can create an AdSense account for YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.